Western fashion is evolving beyond the range, influencing streetwear and high fashion alike while still celebrating its root in American heritage. Pearl slam skirt with bold pattern and embroidery continue to be statement pieces. They balance functionality with the style, drawing on traditional design while incorporating modern cuts and colors. Suicide jackets and vaists add a touch of luxury to Western outfits. Fringe detailing on jacket, dresses, and bag add moment and a bohemian vibe to the look. These dresses are classic, which is making a strong comeback, layering different shades of denim, such as pairing a dark jeans jacket with lighter jean, create a polished yet rugged look. These dresses reflect a bold fusion of tradition and modernity, highlighting the enduring appeal of Western wear with a contemporary waist and twist. The transparency trend in Western fashion emphasizes a blend of traditional cowboy elements with modern sheer and lightweight fabrics. Designers are incorporating transparent layers into the pieces like tops, dresses, and skirts to balance rugged elements such as denim and leather. This fusion creates a chic contrast between tough, structured materials and the soft, flowing fabrics. Accessories are crucial in achieving the Western transparency look. Celebrities have championed this trend, bringing it into the mainstream with bold runway ready outfits. These dresses merging the figure hugging silhouette of bodycon design with sheer or semi sheer fabrics. These dresses often feature strategic paneling, embroidery, or lace to maintain elegance while showcasing boldness. These dresses are perfect for high fashion event, red carpet, or night outing where a statement look is desired. Pair with shapewear or coordinating undergarments for a cohesive look. Keep accessories minimal to let the dress stand out, opting for sleek heels and understated jewelry. Popular color ranging from neutral tone like black, beige, and white to bolder shades like red and metallic hues. Classic bodycon cut emphasizes curve, often with high necklines or long sleeves to balance the boldness of the transparency. Some variants feature asymmetrical hems, cutouts, or rugged detail to add visual interest. Common fabric include mesh, tulle, and organza, often layered to create a play of opacity and transparency. Many designs incorporate embellishment like rainy stones, skin, and air embroidery over sheath section for more glamorous effect. Layering different shades of denim and jackets add a touch of luxury to Western outfits. Some coat detailing on the dress add moment vibe to the look. Designers sometimes are incorporating sweetie into coats, jacket, and accessories with a fresh focus or reimaging classic silhouette. Sweaty trench coat, crop jacket, and long line coat have become staple, offering a luxurious yet approachable feel. These designs often play with the color beyond the traditional camel, embracing richer tones like olive navy and burgundy to add depth and sophistication to fall wardrobe. The combination of see-through dresses with coat is a bold and chic fashion statement balancing edginess with elegance. This style has gained popularity on runway and in street fashion, often blending sheer material like tulle, organza, or lace with structured outwear for contrast. The jokes position of delicate sheer fabrics with heavy or structured coat such as trench coat, wool overcoat, or leather jacket creates visual interest. Sheer dresses can be layered over bodysuits, slip dresses, or paired with statement code to add covers and seasonal appropriateness. Cinching a coat at the waist over a see-through dress accentuates the figure and adds structure to the look. Pairing a sheer dress and coat in the same color palette creates a cohesive and elegant ensemble. Long, flowy sheer dresses are often paired with oversized coat for a dramatic, fashion-forward silhouette. Alternatively, cropped jacket can highlight the dress's details. Express gratitude to models, makeup artists, stylists, and backstage crew. Tonight collection was celebration of sustainability and innovation in fashion. Let's take this inspiration into the future. We are grateful to all of you for joining us tonight and supporting creativity and fashion. Your presence means the world to us. We invite you to explore the collection further and join us for the after party. Stay connected with us online for more updates because fashion is not just what we wear, it's how we express who we are. Thank you for being a part of this journey.